Control board fried on my Maytag Bravos XL washer. Was told replacement part was W10861510. However, when plugged in I ghave immediately F2 and E3 codes it also as the deep water option where my old one did not. However, my original part number says replaced by this part number.
Is your Maytag washer top or front loading? How old is it?
Top about 3.5 years old.
How long has this been going on with your Maytag washer? What have you tried so far?
It started in November. We took it apart, found power supply was loose, so we plugged it in. A few weeks later the control panel lost all power and fried. You can see the black burn on it. Ordered this new part, plugged it in, tried to reset it, and the error codes just keep flashing.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
It powers back up and we have the controls light up with new panel, just errors, and when we called Maytag replacement parts they confirm at the same part number.
Hello and thanks for using JA to help you out with the problem on your washer. The part number you indicated is the touchpad and console assembly. Is this the part you replaced? Click here.
That is the part we replaced, however the one we received looks a little differently even though we ordered specifically that part. Biggest change is the Maytag logo on left and deep fill option.
You said the board was fried. But I have never replaced the console unless you saw something really wrong with it. Most of the time the problem is with the CPU board inside the console housing. Did you replace any other parts? Do you have the model number?
No, when my husband took the washer controls apart he found initially when we lost full power to the control that the cord connection somehow became loose. So he reconnected it and found we started right back up. Weeks later we seemed to lose power again. He pulled out his meter, testing everything, and found the burn spot on the back of this board control. Washer model is MVWB835DW1.
Was this the control board? Click here.
That matches what we have, and I used Sears Direct to pull up my product numbers and went from there. All of the pieces on that control board function properly and have power supply.
That is the board you should have bought. I would get that board and try to return the other one. Did you have any other questions for me tonight, or are we good?
I will contact the seller and see if we can return it. So in your opinion it has nothing to do with the control, it is the board that needs to be replaced.
That is correct. The console is just the interface to the board I just showed you. Like I said before, I have never replaced the console. The main CPU board controls all the functions of the machine. After you replace the CPU, have your husband dig out the tech guide located inside the washer on the inside of the front panel. It is taped in a plastic bag and he can reach it from the bottom and tear it out of the bag. Then read the directions about placing the machine into the diagnostic mode and do a system reset. We are on the honor system here. You can continue asking follow-up questions if needed, at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance. Thanks for using JA. Done. Did you have any other questions for me?
I think that's it for tonight, thanks.
If you would please don't forget to rate my help to you before you log off. Thanks, and have a great evening. Done.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.